Congratulations po sa mga namumuno ng Safadeco sa inyong ika-24th General Assembly.
May this 25th anniversary not only honor our past, but ignite our future. May Safadeco continue to be trusted partner in every member's journey towards their dreams.
Gamiton man naton ang taon na ini, ang General Assembly na ini, na ibalik ang paglaom sa tahaw sin mga krisis.
Safadeco has become a lifeline for communities, and we are a symbol of hope built through shared strength. Tandaan po natin, kung wala po ang inyong support as members, wala din pong lakas ang ating kooperatiba.
Once again, thank you and happy 25th anniversary to Salvacion Farmers Development Cooperative and happy 24th General Assembly for us. Congratulations and thank you very much.
Congratulations po sa Safadeco for your 25th Annual General Assembly. Thank you very much for serving our constituents, our people here in Sorsogon City, and we wish you all the best. From NATCO Network, congratulations!
Good morning, Kasafadeco! Welcome po sa 24th Annual General Assembly. So congratulations po sa Safadeco sa lahat ng tagumpay sa mga nakaraang taon. Welcome po sa General Assembly. Nagkasama-sama naman po tayong mga miyembro at sana po ay may matutunan kayo at mag-enjoy po kayo ngayon. Sama-sama po natin na palakihin at mas lalong palakasin ang Safadeco.
For 25 years, Safadeco has demonstrated how cooperation and trust can empower individuals and strengthen communities. Through your collective efforts, your cooperative has opened opportunities for livelihood, financial stability, and improved quality of life for many Sorsoganos.
Salamat po for attending our General Assembly, and I hope we will enjoy the rest of the day.
As you celebrate this milestone, may you continue to strengthen your commitment to service, innovation, and good governance. May your silver wings of service continue to soar as you empower more members and elevate more lives, guided always by our shared commitment that una ang Sorsoganon.
We will go home na masaya. Sana tuloy-tuloy ang ating pagsisikap na gaganda pa ang Safadeco. Sana tayong lahat ay masaya na naging member at maraming salamat.
So, let us continue to work together, support one another, at sama-sama pa po nating palakihin ang ating kooperatiba at mas marami pa po tayong matulungan.
been sharing successes and 25 years. Sama-sama po tayong umaabante bilang miyembro ng isang kooperatiba. And I am so proud of the achievements that we have in our cooperative, which shows that we are committed to preserve the history of our organization.